Assalamualaikum children. How are you all? Okay, welcome back to our science session and we are on the lesson electricity. So in the previous lecture what did we learn? That electricity is important in our daily life and electricity gives energy or power to electric things. Like what? Fan, fridge, TV, washing machine, iron and so many things. Then we learn about the batteries. Batteries also store electricity and they are used in torch, toy car, watch and also in a real car. There are different sizes and types of batteries. So now we are going to see why do we need batteries. So let's watch a short video and then you will come to know why do we need a battery.
Here you all can see a boy playing with his toy helicopter, but the helicopter is attached to a wire. Why it is attached? Because helicopter needs some energy to fly, right? So it can fly high. But the boy needs his helicopter to fly high. Can the helicopter fly high? Oh, the wire came out. And now the helicopter can't fly because there is no power so that helicopter can fly. Without a wire, how can we make helicopter to fly? You all know that with the help of battery. Batteries store electricity, and if we put the batteries in the helicopter can fly wherever it wants. Because battery will give the power to helicopter to fly high and no need of wire attached.
So children, now you all have come to know why do we need a battery. And children, now let's come to electricity. We all know that electric things need electricity to work. But what do we do so that electricity can make the electric thing work? Let's see in the picture.
With every electric things there is a wire and a plug so that we can put the plug in the socket and electricity passes and we can on the TV then and watch our favorite cartoon. You all have seen this in your house. Plug, socket and a wire.
So students, the things which work or need electricity, they are called appliances. 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 Appliances means the things that work on electricity are called appliances. Main electricity can be very dangerous if we do not take care. We should not touch broken wire or socket because if we touch that, we may burn ourselves or get very ill. Because if we touch the broken wire, we can get an electric shock. And because of the electric shock, we can burn ourselves and get very ill. And electricity should never touch water. It means that there should never be water around the electric wires. Whenever we are touching a wire, our hands should be dry. Our hands shouldn't be in water or wet. Whenever we are touching a button, a socket or a wire, it should be dry. And also wherever there is wire, plug or button, water shouldn't be there. What is an electric shock? Electric shock means the electricity which is passing through the wire can enter into our body. How it can enter? If the wire is broken. So if the wire is broken and the electricity is passing, if we touch that wire, we can get electric shock. Electricity will go inside us and it may hurt us. It will make us very ill and also our skin will burn. So children, let us glow this small bulb with the help of these two wires and batteries. These are two batteries I have
join these batteries with the help of sellotape. Okay, so what we have to do is we will attach, what are these? These are two wires. We will attach all these things, the battery, the wire and the bulb, so we can make this small bulb glow. So what we will do first is we will attach these two small wires to the bulb and then these wires to the batteries. So children, see, I have attached these two wires to the bulb. Now I will attach these two ends of wire to the battery. Okay, so I will keep the battery like this and I'll try to glow this bulb like this. But see, is it glowing? No, there is no light here. Why? Because there is space between this wire and the battery. When we have to make a bulb glow, these all things should be attached to each other properly. If they are not attached and there is a space between the wire and the battery, the bulb will not glow. And if we attach these two wires properly to the battery, the bulb will glow. See, now you can see the bulb is glowing brightly. But if the wire is not attached properly and it is far away from the battery, the bulb is off. And if it is attached properly, see, it is again glowing. And when the bulb, wire and battery is attached together, it is known as circuit. So we should make sure that in circuit all these things are attached to each other. This is called a simple circuit. It is easy. That circuit means bulb, wire and the battery is attached together, and the parts which we have used in this circuit are known as components. Means what are the parts in these? The bulb, wires and battery. Yes, so these are known as components. The parts means each part, the battery, wire and bulb is known as components, and when we attach the wire, bulb and the batteries together and when the bulb glows, it is known as a simple circuit. Children, we can start and stop electricity. We all have these buttons at our home, right? If the button is off, the electricity is stopped, and if the button is on, the electricity is started. We can start and stop electricity. Let me show you how. Here you can see, what is this? A socket, and this is the button. Now I will show you how we can start and stop the electricity. What is this? A phone charger. And what is this? The plug. Now I will put this plug in the socket and I will put the pen in my phone to charge it. But see, is there anything happening? Is it showing that it is charging? No, because the button is off here. It means that electricity is stopped. But when I will on the button, the electricity will pass and it is showing charging. It means we have started the electricity by owning the button. But if I close the button, I have stopped the electricity, and see here you can see it is not charging. But again, when I start, the electricity will pass and it is charging again. So did you all understood that with the help of this on and off button, we can start and stop the electricity. This means on and this means off. I hope you all have understood the video. Thank you. Take care.